At Advanced Construction Products, we're redefining pipe restoration with our cutting-edge ACP Vibratory Pipe Rerounder. This innovative tool employs high-frequency pneumatic vibrations to reform pipe walls from the inside, ensuring they're restored to their original shape. The radial energy reshapes the pipe, restabilizing bedding material and efficiently returning lines to grade and flow, all while minimizing disruption to the surrounding area. Rooted in our field-proven sag correction system, trusted by many contractors and municipalities across North America, this technology delivers remarkable results. Completed in a fraction of the time and cost compared to traditional dig-and-replace methods, it truly transforms the restoration process. Our 4 models cover the most common pipe diameters: 8, 10, 12, and 15 inches. With the ACP Vibratory Pipe Rerounder, we not only consolidate bedding, but also enhance the stability of your infrastructure, all while minimizing disruption to the surrounding area. For reliable, innovative solutions, turn to Advanced Construction Products, where trenchless technology meets smarter infrastructure.